This is the Accessibility Capstone design course, which has the goal of creating new accessible applications for the Android platform, which is a smartphone platform. And each project had a team of two, and they created an application that would help somebody with a disability accomplish some task.
It's a very interesting class. It's very thought-provoking because we have to figure out a way to get all the same information someone without a disability has to someone with a disability.
Originally, Richard showed us a functionality called V-Braille, which is just the way the phone represents a Braille symbol on the screen. And it's a piece of functionality that's written by another student here, Will Johnson at UW. And immediately I started thinking about how you could use that to make it more useful to get people to really use it. And Richard was thinking along the same lines and suggested that one of the teams make a game out of it. And so our project is Braille Buddies, and it's basically a mobile game that's fun and educational, and it's specifically targeted to help blind children learn to read and write Braille. For blind children, you've got to have something to engage them, right? So we created a virtual pet, and it's their responsibility to take care of that pet. And of course, with any pet, you have to feed it, you have to play with it, you have to exercise it. And so all those different activities are built into this game. The educational portion of the game comes in when you have to do things like feed it, because you need to buy food. Well, you need money to buy food, and so to do that, you have to go and play what we call Braille Learn in order to earn tokens in order to buy food to feed your dog. Now let's say I didn't have any money and I needed to go earn some money. This is where the Braille Learn portion comes in. So I can play Read Braille, Write Braille, and Braille Words. So we'll start with Read Braille.
Spaghetti and meatballs, $7.
So our project is called Mobile OCR, and it stands for Mobile Optical Character Recognition. And so this is really cool because the blind person doesn't need to have Braille, or they don't need to have someone with them. Instead, they can just get all this information with their camera by themselves. And so there's great potential for a bunch of the stuff that we've done. There is so much that we can expand upon, there's so much that we can do. And the big thing that we did was we set a framework, and that framework people can build off of and improve upon. It's definitely going to be the best OCR application on the Android market for sure. And so we're really excited to be able to be here today and demo it off.
Grab a printed text and you take a picture of it. As you can see here, the text is 100% accurate.
Spaghetti and meatballs, $7.
Spaghetti and meatballs for $7. How cool is that? It's a cool project, and I've never done any project that has anything to do with accessibility, and it's just very exciting to try new stuff.
Yeah, it's great.